Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 5. Give 25 common sentences for daily use for practice like. Can you help me? I don't understand. Please repeat that. What does this mean? How do you say this in English? Group activity. Answer. Here are 25 common sentences for daily use. Can you help me? I don't understand. Please repeat that. What does this mean? How do you say this in English? Could you speak slowly, please? I am sorry, I am late. Where are you going? May I come in? Excuse me, can I ask a question? I am feeling hungry. What time is it? Can you show me the way? I am looking for the nearest shop. Thank you for your help. I will be back in a moment. Where is the bathroom? I have forgotten my notebook. Can I borrow your pen? What's your name? Can you write it down for me? How much does it cost? I am sorry, I don't know. It's nice to meet you. Have a great day. Group activity suggestion. Form groups of 3 to 4 students. Each group should practice using these sentences in role-play scenarios, such as at school, a shop, or asking for directions. This interactive activity will help students build confidence and improve conversational skills. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.